Why?
Do you want to be in
get
the
out.
middle?
Yeah.
I don't want to walk down it.
Do I need to buckle you guys?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, guys, act chill. Nonchalant, okay?
Right, I'm not. I'm nonchalant. I'm scared to. I'm chilling. Oh yeah, thanks, Dave. I need to lock my door.
Was it not locked?
I need to lock my door.
I need to lock my door.
Because that's going to help you.